assistant is trying to chat me up. Look at him. That one. Matthew, he probably ripped me off. Oh, hi guys. I'm going to the Sunday market. As you know, I absolutely hate shopping, so I'm not actually sure what I'm doing here. I need to get some souvenirs for my friends. Okay, the sweat is on. If you're gonna come, guys, just come with no clothes. Because I'm wearing this. And I think it's the worst idea ever because it's literally like, yeah, you're like in a sauna basically. In a sauna, so maybe come in the evening. Don't come like now. What is it now? Nearly 6 o'clock. Yeah, can you see above the lip? So, oh my god, there's so much clutter. Wait. This is my idea of hell. Literally. So I'm just thinking. So you've got Louis Vuitton, which is nice. Kind of a nice like a makeup sort of. Oh, I like these ones as well. These are nice for guys, no? I like that one. Oh, it's a nice Dior one. Oh, very cute. And oh, YSL. Yeah, just love it. Everything basically. What do you think about these bags? I like to touch everything. I don't know if you noticed this. Can you see the sweat on my face? No, my friend wants me to buy these water bottles. Fake designers, obviously, water bottles. So I'm gonna see if I can find them because I found them last weekend, but now I'm a bit confused. And maybe I get a pair of sunglasses for myself. No, who's talking so loud? Excuse me. I'm trying to record. Anyway, oh god. Alright guys, this is a fake ring bands. All these ones. What do you stick the label on? Oh, my lips are all over the place. This is a spot, by the way. It's not lipstick. What do we think? No? Okay, these are slightly different. Like a navy blue frame. So if I take this one for 80, 80 is okay? Ah, no, why not? Only 20 baht, but no case. No? Only 100 baht? With no case? Okay. Wow. You don't get, you don't try, you don't get, right? Look how many sunglasses. Obviously, you know I'm a fan of sunglasses, so yeah. I already got one pair, so I'm just thinking maybe I should get one more. What do you reckon? Ooh, nice. Right guys, big question. Would you wear a second-hand shoes? Smelly ones. I'm even scared to come close to this one. Like, look at it. Oh my goodness, no way. No way on earth I would do that. Whew, I'm starting to get stressed. As you know, I'm getting stressed when it comes to shopping. I'm like, oh, sunglasses, more sunglasses. Hold on a second. Okay, 1 year, guys, I bought a replica for Tom Ford. And I swear to you, even the people that worked for Tom Ford couldn't see the difference. So yes, I'm trying to find the same ones because I've had them for 5 years. Can you believe that? They lasted for 5 years. I think the real thing would not last that long, but hey. So I'm just trying to see if I can find exactly the same one, but I don't think so. Oh guys, I found the fake bottles. So now I just need to get the right price. Oh, not as many as last time. Have they been sold out? Oh, that's not good. Right, let me see now, because I need to get 3. Oh, look at this little cute Prada bags. I actually saw a little hat to match. Maybe when I get back from Europe, I can get all the fake shit. Yeah, this is definitely a no. Look how many different wallets. Oh, very nice. Watches. Okay, what else have we got going on here? Oh, hat. Sorry, I need a hat, by the way. Oh, imagine buying this one for your living room. Not flashy at all. Oh, like these funny bags or whatever they're called. Are they called funny bags? What a strange name. Can you imagine walking around with this kind of hat? Not shabby at all. Well, that was Dior. Oh God, I'm having a mild time of my life here. I already bought a hat here last weekend, the Balenciaga one. Now I want to get something else. Proud of it. Anyway, bloody, oh my God. This is mental. So anyway, wow. So watch the first episode and I'm in the progress of... Do you want to see the sweat? Can you see it? Oh God. I hope my friends and family can appreciate the effort that I'm putting. Anyway, I just got myself two Prada hats. One for my friend, my bestie in the UK, and one for myself. And the guy, he actually remembered me. He's like, oh, you bought the Balenciaga one last week. I'm like, yep, that's me. Sawadika. So I've just recommended to him what sort of hats he should get because he's missing some product selection. Anyway, do you see like the manager comes out and saying, right, we need to maximize the sale opportunities. Anyway, right, I'm still looking for the sunglasses, the Tom Ford ones, and I could not find them anywhere. Anyway, that's me done. I'll film in a minute. Oh, look guys, how beautiful. The sky, the lights. So nice. Apart from the sweating part, I love markets. I mean, not the actual shopping. I like the performance of the kids and the food, obviously. You know I love my food.
I do the things you do before. They say, move on me, move on me, move on me.
Do you know what? I see so many guys buying fake watches. So girls, when you think he's wearing Rolex, see if he goes in the pool with them, and if he doesn't, well, that means they fake. Yeah, anyway. Would I wear a fake watch? Yeah, I think I would. Yeah, who gives a shit anyway? That's the food part. That's my favorite part. Oh, there. So the only thing that I need to find, it was the jewelry and bracelets for my friend. And then I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh my God. Look, you've got Fendi. What's that? Fendi Dance. Fendi, oh my goodness. Dream come true, eh? Oh, I like the denim ones. Let's have a look. Oh, look at the little makeup bags. This is cute. Cute. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. But not my thing. Oh, my mom asked me for a suitcase as well. I'm just thinking, how am I going to get it on the bike? Oh, right. Okay, guys, so I'm going to choose some earrings for myself and my friend. So I decided to have a sit down. I got a mirror here. Okay, I've got the lady here. Hello. Yeah. Right, we're going to choose some necklaces now. I need to wipe off the sweat. Let me take some tissue. I'll take some tissue, okay? I need to, otherwise you don't want to be like, okay. This is the black one. It's also white. Cute, but I quite actually like the black one. Doesn't match with the metal. And then we're gonna check out some earrings now. Look, they've got the earrings too. So look, this is what I have. I have a little set for my friend, necklace, a nice bracelet and earring. And for myself, I've got necklace that it's a double, so it's white and black, little bracelet and little earrings. Okay. Now ready to go. Yeah, you know what? We'll do this set in one bag and this one in one, because this is for one and another. I'm excited now. I'm going to see what else we have here. What else do I need to get? I'm just trying to think. I get really confused and disorientated. Oh. So I'm really happy. The lady gave me a really good price because she knows you cannot bullshit me. Yeah, I said to her I live here. I mean, I do. So I said to her I'm gonna come quite often. I need to make sure. Oh, suitcases. Let me find out the price, how much they will charge here. One second. Hello. So this one, how much? 1.4.
This one the same here, the medium size here.
So all 1.4. And
Yes, the medium.
and this one?
1.6.
1.6. Okay. And do you work on Fridays? No, only Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Okay, thank you. No, do you know what the problem is? I can obviously get it for my mom. Oh, look at all these t-shirts, fake t-shirts, right? This is obviously Sweaty Betty. Yo. Yeah, look at it. Oh, maybe I should stand here where the fan is. Oh, it looks like a little bit like a boutique. Ta-da. Okay, the assistant is trying to chat me up. Look at him. That one. Mafia, he probably ripped me off. Look at him. Look. Honestly, Mafia. You are Mafia. You are. Oh God, I'm sweating. Oh, look at this one. Matches my nails. Christian Dior. Maybe I need a new wallet. What do you think? What's happening here? Some dodgy business. We're just switching Instagrams. I'll time and then he can subscribe to. Look how I'm sweating. I really want to get like a little dessert. Just a little one. Not the big one, a little one. Can I do that? Or maybe should I not? I shouldn't really be eating any bad food. So I'm just getting some coconut pancakes. 6 little ones. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look what I've got myself. I got myself a new bracelet and a new ring. Ta-da, tan, tan, tan.